So this is the whirlpool and this is the situation. All right. So first thing you gotta do is move some of this ice out of the way. You know what I mean? And as it piles up and it pops this out right here. I'm gonna see that. There we go. And there's this big old chunk here. Let's put it over here. And you can see it's making more. So I want to show you guys what you got to do to fix this. All right. So here we go. We're going in, and if you look, see that little hole right there? I've got to get this in that thing. So I just got to push it in like that, and then once it's in there, then you should be okay. And then this ice machine will make ice the proper way. So yeah, I think we got it fixed. Throw this out. That's a big chunk of ice. So now I just got to clean some of that ice out of there. Yeah, it does tend to get like stuck. And it happens when you get all this. I may have to pull this whole thing out. Yeah, I got way too much ice in here. So let's see, I may have to use both hands. This thing's heavy. Anyway, you got to be careful because the ice goes everywhere. Look at this big chunk here. I gotta pull that out another way. But now it should work, hopefully. Over here, look at this. Way too much ice. All right. Just dumping it all out. I'm gonna put this back in there. And that should be okay now. Everything's ready to go.